Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check device admin privileges, MDM policies, and enrollment so you know what's enforcing restrictions. Once done, back up user data and export any app-specific settings to avoid loss. Next, enable developer options and USB debugging if you need ADB access. This bypasses simple UI limits but not enforced enterprise rules. Make sure you document policy names and the enforcing profile so you can target the correct setting in the next steps. You now inspect and modify policies that block app data clearing. First, view device administrators in settings to identify the responsible component. Then run ADB or management console queries, for example, a DB shell dumpsy's device policy, to read the exact restriction flags. If the profile allows, temporarily disable or remove the specific policy, or change the managed configuration to permit data clears. Make sure to record original values so you can restore them after completing. You finish by clearing the app data once the blocking policy is adjusted. Use settings app storage clear data or run a DB shell PM clear package for precision. After successful clearing, immediately reapply the original policy or re-enroll the device to maintain compliance, and verify MDM reports show the device as compliant. If something goes wrong, check Logcat and MDM audit logs for denial reasons. Then restore backups and consult the administrator before repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.